everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I clean the railing.
It's been a while since I cleaned my railing, so today it's time to clean it. I don't know if you can see that spider web, but all the railing is full of dust and some spider webs, so I need to clean and disinfect it. It is very important to disinfect the surfaces, but especially during flu and cold season or viruses season. Some close-ups will show you that a deep clean of the railing is so needed. Look at this dust and cat hair. If you need some cleaning motivation, lately I did a lot of videos and I will link some of them at the end of this video. I highly recommend you to check out my bathroom cleaning hacks for tips and tricks to help you clean faster and better.
Everything clearer. Trying to fly cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again.
This is my helper for today's video.
I would get up again.
Let's do this. You need a basin with hot water, gloves, a microfiber cloth or something like that, and some cleaning and disinfecting product. I like to use this hygienol disinfectant without bleach that destroys viruses, bacteria and fungus. It's suitable for floors and multiple surfaces. It is safe for wood, tiles, plastic, metal and all kinds of surfaces. I put 2 measures of it into the water and I wear gloves to protect my hands from the hot water and from the cleaner. The cleaner does not damage the skin, but it's always better wearing gloves, especially for me that I have sensitive skin. All you have to do is wipe thoroughly all over the railing, making sure you don't miss any spot. This chore is not so simple for me because of the patterns my railing has. All those twists and turns and flowers and leaves make the cleaning harder, but I don't do this task very often, so it's okay. Listen a book, a podcast, a TV show, some music or a YouTube video and let's clean together. It's always encouraging to me to know that you are actually cleaning with me. Be sure to let me know in the comments below what you are cleaning today.
I need you, what to do, I can't help that I want you. We got the moonlight shining bright as we drive down the avenue. This might be love, it's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, I wanna be with you until the end. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
Let me know if you have those days or those periods of time when you don't clean your house because you just feel you are cleaning the same things over and over again. Then the house gets bad and it's even more discouraging when it happens. Sometimes we struggle because we have so much going on and so many things to do, so it becomes demotivating and hard for us to do anything. In those moments, think about other women or homemakers around the world doing the same things, having the same struggles, so you know you are not alone. If they can do it, so do you. You are so strong and powerful.
Explode every time you go and slam the door. I adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage. You're a million. We figured out what it's all about. Takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage. You're a million.
Oh yeah. I know we could have been better. You look so pretty in lies. Big egos live in this castle. Not sure I'm ever surprised. You got me fooling round and now you're honesty. Don't think you got the concept right. Double moral bitterness is not my type, but still it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, laughing, romance in the madness. You got me good, baby.
Look at this water, it is so dirty. This is the after. You can see how shiny my railing is now. So shiny.
I know that you know it.
No more dust and spider webs. No more bacteria.
It keeps you sleeping at night. Keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right.
Look at this. Looks like new.
Pretty sure you're born like this.
I hope this video gave you some useful information or the motivation to tackle that one little thing in your home that needed a deep clean. Thank you for stopping by and taking time of your busy day to watch my video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!